Hello, my name is Dr. Pranav Mathur and I work at Dr. Mathur's Dental Innovation Kanpur. Today we'll be talking about zirconia crowns. How can we use zirconia crowns in a smile design case or a smile makeover case? So first of all we should talk about zirconia. What are zirconia crowns? So zirconia are one of the best types of dental crowns available in market. Zirconia is a non-metallic substance, or as we can say, it is a metal free substance which is used in dental crowns, and nowadays it is also used in dental implants because the strength of zirconia is as compared to titanium. Both of the strengths of zirconia and titanium is same, so nowadays zirconia is also used in dental implants. Zirconia crowns, as we have talked, are metal free crowns. They are very natural looking and aesthetic. The strength of zirconia crowns is very good. That is why the chances of breakage or chip off is very less as compared to porcelain fused to metal crowns or PFM crowns. The porcelain fused to metal crowns which were used earlier, they had very high chances of chip off because it was made up of two materials. The base was metallic and we used to put ceramic over the top. So after few years of usage, the ceramic used to get reduced because of the friction and it led to chip off of the crowns. But zirconia is made up of only one same type of compound and hence the chip off chances are very less. Zirconia crowns are broadly of two types. One is monolithic and the other is layered. The monolithic crown is a zirconia block which is of a same color, and it is used in places where the tooth height is very less or we have less space to put a crown. So we just put a zirconia monolithic crown, and that is mostly used in posterior teeth where aesthetics is not much of importance. But in anterior tooth where aesthetics is of much importance, we use layered zirconia. In this, the base is of the zirconia block and the top layer is a ceramic layer, and we get different types of shade options in ceramic. So it is a bi-layered compound and it is very aesthetic and natural. So many patients talk about the cost of zirconia. Like the cost of zirconia crowns is very variable in different clinics. It can start from 4 to 5,000 and can go till 15-20,000. So people ask this very commonly, why is there so much of difference in the cost of zirconia? So zirconia is not a single compound or a single variant. Zirconia is a broad name for that type of crowns which are metal free, and there are 15 to 20 variants available in zirconia. Depending upon the location of the tooth, we select the variant, and it also depends upon the strength we need in that crown or the aesthetics we need. So different variants have different prices attached to them, and that is why the cost of zirconia is variable in different clinics. Technology used to manufacture zirconia crowns is also different at various places. Earlier we used to take manual impressions of patients, and then we used to fabricate crowns manually using a furnace. But nowadays all the technology has converted into digital workflow, and we use intraoral scanners to take multiple images of your mouth, and then the software assimilates those images and a crown is fabricated. So everything is touchless and very predictable. So because of this usage of this technology, the accuracy of the crowns has improved drastically, and the breakage or chip off has also reduced. So nowadays we use a smile design software to educate patients also, and in that software we take images of the patient before the treatment has started, and then using the AI technology those images are formulated and the patient can see the prognosis of the case or the outcome of the case without even starting the treatment. So if you want to change your look or your smile, like you want to increase the height of your tooth or you want to decrease the width of the tooth, that you can discuss along with your dentist, and the dentist can make crowns according to your wish. So it is like a smile makeover which you can discuss with your dentist. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can write to us in our comment section.